Welcome to Park Spectre. I'm in a Funhouse. Oh my life. What's keeping me fit? Going in the Funhouse. Not done a Funhouse for a long time. Ooh. A Funhouse. Hope it's not narrow. That'd be awful. The Funhouse is temporarily closed due to a large British guest getting wedged in the Funhouse.
I can't remember how you do these.
Carefully. After you. Sorry. Wait. Oh my life! Oh my stars and garters! Oh, this is great! Wait! Oh! Wow! Oh, this is nuts! Oh, that's fine. What? What? Mind the step. Mind the step, he says. Whoop. Mind the step, John.
Mind the spinny thing, Mark.
Yeah, okay, fine. What? Oh, this is nuts.
This is health and safety gone mad.
Health and safety gone mad. Oh, great. Oops. Oh. Hello. Welcome to Park Spectre. I'm in a Funhouse.
Yeah, let's skip that one.
Oh, this is going to be great. Oh, this is okay. Oh no. No. To quote Phantom Menace, I'll go the long way. Oh. Oh. There you go. No. Well, I used to do the climbing steps. I'm standing on plates. Oh my life!
I know, I've never seen this before.
I've done one of these. Not since Blackpool. Okay.
Oh, but why is it on the first one?
Oh, gosh. Thank God for the knee stuff. Oh! Trough. Come on, the Funhouse, he says. It'll be fun, he says. Oh, God, I think over that minute. Okay. Oh. Oh. What's keeping me fit? I think the carpet wobbles. I never like it when people don't know shit. Oh good, mirrors. Very Enter the Dragon. The great thing is, if you're following someone, you can watch them walk into a mirror rather than you do it. Keep going, John.
Hi! Back up, back.
Oh. That's a mirror, that's a mirror. That's aha. Aha. Thank you.
8 hours later.
Yeah, all right, thank you. I got lost. Ah! I scared myself. Okay, we can do this. Come on, Mark. It's not that way. I know, I'm coming. Right, okay. Oh. No, that's where I came in. That's definitely not right.
Are you sure that's where we came in?
Oh, is it not? That's the way out. I got in before John. How did that work? Is this where we came in? Oh. Sorry. Oh. Oh. I don't know if there's more. Okay. The stairs have gone a bit weird. Oh, okay. That's a weird sensation. That is a very odd sensation. Oh dear, last time I was on this I went pear-shaped. Oh. Almost. Oh, had to go viral by Mark. And then, we're now in the ambulance, heading to A&E.
Slide.
Please don't tell me this ends with a slide. I think I might do the stairs. Sorry. I'll pass on the slide. Oh, John almost got hit by the next person. Ah! Well done, John. That was so much fun. I've not done a proper Funhouse in years. And, alright, I missed the slide. I probably should have done it, but I couldn't be bothered to take my shoes off, put them back on again. But, that was awesome! Awesome! I don't know if that showed how much fun that was. It was a lot. If you come here, go to the Funhouse. Go to the Funhouse. Trust me on this. Go to the Funhouse. Ooh. Okay. Well, I've calmed down. I'll be back to see what we get on or don't get on at Phantasialand. Yeah. Let me know what you thought of Logan in the Funhouse.